So, good morning. I'm currently in a hot spot by the beach. The weather is 5 degrees Celsius. The water here is 40 degrees Celsius. It's really nice. So I'm right in an abandoned herring factory. There's another boat that's just ditched right there. This is a town called Djupavik. I don't know if I'd be able to go inside. That's the view of the ocean. I'm trying to find a way in. Woo! So I'm inside an abandoned structure. Do you hear my echo? Echo! That's the only way in, because the ladder, it's not really stable. Like, I don't want to fall to my death here. This is really cool. Woohoo! Yo guys, I'm in another hot spring that's really isolated and there's like no one there. That's the hot spring. And this is the view, like it's by the ocean. And there's like an island that's really cool looking. This is my view in the hot tub. This window screens the wind. Like that's the Atlantic Ocean right there. Wow, this is better. Like the temperature here is better. Yep. This is where I am right now. Unbelievable, dudes. Woo! What an experience, man. Being alone here, surrounded by the mountains, being in a hot pool. There's the Atlantic Ocean behind me. Huge waves. I'm pretty high right now just by experiencing all of this. There's a couple now just arrived. The couple of people that went here, they were actually from a French magazine and they were gonna publish an article about the West Fjords. That's like the west of Iceland. They wanted me to be in their photo. I hope they publish it and then I'll probably see it. I just had a feeling of being a model for like 5 minutes and they're gone. Iceland is full of these picnic tables in the most amazing views possible. Look at the color of the sunset, it's like orange and pink. Right now I'm on a lookout area. It's like a picnic spot again. Like there's picnic tables there. That right there is Krossneslaug Nature Reserve. I think that's a glacier on top. All those white things are ice. I actually came from way over behind that glacier and then it's like there's so many peninsulas that I had to encircle. I saw this island in the middle 5 peninsulas ago.